I have not had a Zippo lighter for many years. While I was in the Navy, I used to purchase the Zippos that were sold in like the ship store. So I had one from one ship and I had another from another ship, and I used them occasionally. Not like a huge part of my life since I wasn't a smoker, but I typically had a Zippo lighter. When I left the Navy, I basically had no use for Zippos, and I think I gave them away. I don't currently have one. So I've been watching EDC videos, and having a means to create fire has been a big part of a lot of everyday carry kits. I do have quite an assortment of Bic lighters that I have in my vehicle, in my bug out bag, just in the house. So I have a couple boxes of those. So I do have lighters, but I don't carry them around with me. They are in my bags and they're in my vehicles. So I decided I should up the game, and I purchased a Zippo. This is the first one. I actually have this one in hand, and I have another one coming. So here we go. Opening my first Zippo since the Navy. Now, obviously, this is a pretty nice one here. It's the armor case with the deep texturing on, I guess it's the rose gold finish. A lot of people have listed this in their top 10s because of the texturing and just the coloration, and of course it's an armor. Everyone seems to recommend for everyday carry to carry an armor. So this is it. Sure is shiny. So the question is, after I get this thing filled with fluid, will I start carrying it every day? Or should I switch to something a little bit more scratch resistant? Back in the day, I used to be able to do tricks with these things. I don't think that's going to happen right away. This is a very attractive one, though. I do like it. I'll clean this up. All these sticker marks. And see what happens. My first Zippo in like 20 years.